Hey there, zookeepers! Here's how to unlock more staff facilities in Planet Zoo. If you're wondering whether you can unlock different variants of staff facilities, such as larger staff rooms that can accommodate more employees during their breaks, you absolutely can. You just need to research them. To do this, click on the Zoo button in the lower left corner of your screen to open the Zoo overview. Then click on the Flask and Wrench icon to open Mechanic Research. In the Research menu, scroll down until you find Staff Facilities Research. Click on it, and you'll see the different staff facilities available to unlock across the various research tiers. Most of these are larger or improved versions of existing staff facilities. To begin researching them, return to the Research menu and drag one of your available mechanics onto the Staff Facilities Research category. The research will take some time, so you can either continue working on your zoo while you wait, or speed up the game to finish the research faster. Once the research is complete, you'll receive an alert on the left side of your screen, and the facilities tied to that research tier will become available to build. You can find the newly unlocked facilities in the Facilities Build menu and under the Staff tab. They'll also have a pink dot in the upper right corner of their thumbnails, indicating that they've just been unlocked. And if you want even more options, simply continue researching the higher tiers of Staff Facilities Research to unlock additional and larger variants for your zoo. And that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next side quest.